Morocco, located in North Africa, has a rich and complex history shaped by Berber, Arab, and European influences. As one of the oldest continuously inhabited territories, Morocco has witnessed the rise and fall of great dynasties, colonial struggles, and its emergence as a modern kingdom. Ancient Morocco, Berber roots and early civilizations pre-7th century CE. The earliest inhabitants of Morocco were Berbers Amazigh, an indigenous people who settled in North Africa thousands of years ago. Archaeological evidence suggests that human settlements in Morocco date back to 8000 BCE. Phoenician and Carthaginian influence, 12th century BCE, 2nd century BCE. By 1100s BCE, the Phoenicians, seafaring traders from the eastern Mediterranean, established trading posts along the Moroccan coast, including Lixus and Mogador. These settlements became part of the powerful Carthaginian Empire until the Romans defeated Carthage in 146 BCE. Roman Morocco, Mauritania Tingitana. 1st century BCE, 5th century CE. In 42 CE, the Romans annexed northern Morocco, naming it Mauritania Tingitana. The city of Volubilis became a prosperous Roman center, producing olive oil, grain, and other goods. However, much of the Berber population remained independent, resisting full Roman control. After the collapse of the Western Roman Empire in the 5th century CE, the region fell under the rule of the Vandals and later the Byzantines. The arrival of Islam and the rise of Moroccan dynasties, 7th–15th century. Islam reached Morocco in the 7th century CE through Arab conquests. The indigenous Berbers converted to Islam, but tensions between Berbers and Arab rulers led to the rise of independent Moroccan dynasties. The Idrisid dynasty 788–974 CE, the first Moroccan state. Founded by Idris I, a descendant of Prophet Muhammad, the Idrisid dynasty was the first Islamic state in Morocco. Its capital, Fez, became a major center of Islamic scholarship and culture. The Almoravid and Almohad empires, 11th–13th century. Two powerful Berber empires, the Almoravids 1040–1147 and the Almohads 1147–1269, expanded Moroccan rule into Spain, North Africa, and parts of West Africa. These empires strengthened Islamic law and architecture, with Fez and Marrakesh flourishing as cultural and economic hubs. The Marinid and Wattasid dynasties, 13th–16th century. After the Almohads, the Marinids 1244–1465 and Wattasids 1472–1554 ruled Morocco. However, their power weakened due to internal strife and the growing influence of European powers. European threats and the Saadian dynasty, 16th–17th century. With the decline of the Wattasids, the Saadian dynasty, 1549–1659, emerged, defeating the Portuguese at the Battle of Al-Qasr Kibir, 1578. Under Sultan Ahmad al-Mansur, Morocco expanded into West Africa, controlling gold trade routes. The Alawite dynasty and European influence, 17th–19th century. The Alawite dynasty, established in 1666, continues to rule Morocco today. Key rulers such as Moulay Ismail, 1672–1727, strengthened the monarchy and resisted Ottoman and European influence. However, by the 10th century, Morocco faced increasing European pressure, especially from France, Spain, and Britain. Economic and military weaknesses made Morocco vulnerable to foreign intervention. French and Spanish colonization, 1912–1956. In 1912, Morocco was divided into a French protectorate and a Spanish-controlled northern zone under the Treaty of Fez. Tangier became an international zone. Resistance and the road to independence. Rif War 1921–1926, led by Abdelkrim al-Khattabi, Berbers in northern Morocco resisted Spanish rule but were eventually defeated. World War II, 1939–1945, Moroccan nationalists demanded independence, gaining support from the U.S. and other allies. Independence 1956, King Mohammed V negotiated with France and Spain, leading to Morocco's independence in 1956. Modern Morocco, political and economic growth, 1956 present. King Hassan II, 1961-1999. King Hassan II ruled for nearly 4 decades, modernizing the economy but facing opposition for authoritarian policies. In 1975, Morocco launched the Green March, reclaiming Western Sahara from Spain. The issue remains unresolved today. King Mohammed VI, 1999 present. Since 1999, King Mohammed VI has introduced political reforms, economic modernization, and social changes, including expanding women's rights, boosting tourism and infrastructure, strengthening Morocco's role in African and international affairs. Despite progress, challenges remain, including unemployment, political tensions, and the Western Sahara conflict. Conclusion. Morocco's history is a blend of Berber, Arab, and European influences, shaped by powerful dynasties, Islamic civilization, and colonial struggles. Today, it remains a stable and influential kingdom, balancing tradition and modernity. Kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. You can watch this program on YouTube. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com, and we'll arrange a call. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.getbooks on Amazon Books. Check out our website, Wordflix Publishers. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.